I have 39 beauty products to finish. Let's see how I have done in September. There are 2 micellar waters that are done with this one. Because I traveled, I used up the Bio Effect micellar cleansing water. And this one was almost over, so I used to finish it up in September. This is my favorite Garnier micellar cleansing water. Cheap as chips, works a treat, doesn't break the bank, very, very effective. I like this more than this. This I got in an advent calendar somewhere before and had to use it up. So I keep this sort of thing for traveling, yeah. That's why I used it up. Which is better? Definitely Garnier. So I will be repurchasing the Garnier, but not the Bio Effect. One face cleanser used while traveling. It is the Clarins Gentle Foaming Cleanser. There wasn't much by way of foam. It was more of a gel cleanser. Alright, won't be repurchasing though, because there are better ones out there, such as the CeraVe. Yeah, foaming cleanser, very nice. Now, one lip balm, lip smacker, again, used up while traveling. Smells nice. I bought this because of the tin, the nice Coca-Cola tin. Toner, Huda Labo. This is a refill. I have 3 more refills left. Long story there. Very, very nice. This is the Chirurgian Premium Moist. This contains 5 different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid. This is 170 mils and it costs what? 12 quid or so on YesStyle without including any codes. With codes and points, cost comes down even more. And this is 170 mils. Are certain brands listening? Certain brands whose hyaluronic acid for 30 mils is priced at £250. Are they listening? Let's move on. Face moisturizer, absolutely beloved CeraVe moisturizing lotion. I personally prefer the big jar of cream as a rule for every day because my skin is flaky, particularly after the vaccination. There's a video on that if you're interested. And my skin changed drastically, so that was straight up Vaseline. This one does not contain petroleum jelly or petrolatum at all, but it does contain the ceramides and the cholesterol and the sodium hyaluronate and the vitamin E and so on. So it's all right if you are pairing this with something else, which is what I did this month. I paired it with the Gatineau Perfect Design Night Cream. Hold on, hang on. Gatineau. So this came in a beauty box somewhere. I didn't buy it. But because, you know, this was a thicker cream, I was able to pair it with a lighter moisturizer without, you know, my skin breaking into flakes again. As a rule, I would prefer, I mean, I do have one more big bottle of this, you know, to keep handy to pair with something else. But as a rule, I prefer those big tubs, you know, of the cream. So let's move on to Bath & Body and hair. I finished while traveling the Jo Malone English Pear and Freesia Body and Hand Wash Gel. While traveling. I know it's really tiny. This is the sort of thing I take along while traveling. Nice. I mean, I don't like the English Pear. I don't like the cologne of this, but I quite like the shower gel. Weird, eh? I also finished up my last tube of the Allies of Skin Bright Future Overnight Facial, mostly as a neck product, some a bit, you know, on my acne specifically. And my acne is getting better. Acne, I always get acne when I travel. Weird. I think it was a change in routine and change in place and change in water and change in weather and everything. My skin doesn't like change. Very weird skin there. So this one I have used up. I won't be repurchasing this because, you know, it no longer is needed for my skin, nor does it work very well for my skin as it used to pre-skin change. But yeah, I had to finish it up, so I have. Now, hair product, Faith in Nature Aloe Vera Conditioner. My first Faith in Nature product that I finished up. Really, really, really nice conditioner. Served well as a co-wash, as a conditioning cleanser, and as a standalone conditioner after my flaxseed gel application. Will be repurchasing. I have other fragrances in this. This one was aloe vera. I like Faith in Nature. I want you to try the shampoo and conditioner bars, but some of you have said, you know, they made your hair all tangly and messy, so I'm a bit leery about shampoo bars. Faith in Nature has really nice shampoo bars, and I want to be more eco-friendly, but not, you know, if my hair's going to be wrecked. Lastly, body moisturizer, Bath & Body Works Aromatherapy Body Cream in orange and ginger. Very, you know, perked me up. You know, this one, orange and ginger, nice, spicy and tropical, very nice. Will be repurchasing eventually. I've got lots and lots of Bath & Body Works body creams to use up because I love that brand. And I just bought a few more when I traveled. So that is 11 products that I've used up in September. That leaves me with 28 products to finish up in 3 months. That's, just a bit over 9 products each month that I've got to use up. Will I get that? Stay tuned to find out. Do tell me in the comments what you've used up this month, if you've used any of these products, and if you are a fan. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.